A homeowner should call us at Royal River Heat Pumps because we specialize in heat pumps. Our success has come from knowing what we want to do, who we want to do it for, and how we want to do it. I chose Mitsubishi early on before I really even knew I was going to be doing Mitsubishi, just based upon some experiences with some other manufacturers. And that's what really sets Mitsubishi apart. We're in it together with Mitsubishi, with the distributor, and that kind of serves me in a way that's bigger than just me and just bigger than serving my ego, but it's actually helping somebody else.